everybody, welcome back to my channel, the #1 place to start, grow, and automate your cleaning business. So in today's video, we're diving into a question that I've been getting a lot, which is, Crystal, how do I create a blog? Fast. I just don't have the time. So in today's video, we're going to cover how to create a blog fast so you can produce a blog weekly in order to help increase your rankings in Google organically. Step 1, choose a trending topic. Let's go to Google. Type in how to clean, but don't hit enter yet. Look at some of the pre-populated results that are right under the search bar. Hit space and hit the letter A. You'll notice the search underneath starts to change with more and different results. If you switch through the alphabet with the letter B, C, D, you could see some of the most commonly searched things right now that's trending. So pick one of these as your topic. I'm going to go with how to clean an iPhone as my topic. Step 2 is to pull up Google Docs. Now that you're here on Google, just type in Google Doc. Click on Google Docs. And once you're here, you could either sign in with your personal or your business if you have G Suite. As long as you have a Gmail, you could use Google Docs. And go ahead and pull up a blank document. And for here, you could either come up to the Tools tab and click on Voice Typing, or you can click on Control Ctrl F to go ahead and pull it up as well. Now this is available on your mobile app as well if you wanted to do it from your phone. Step 3, guys, is keyword research. You know keywords. What? They help you rank on Google. Yes. So they're important. So it doesn't take long. I'll show you how to do it the quick way. All right, you guys know that I like the plugin for TubeBuddy. So they have a free extension. So download one for your browser and check it out. I love it. There are alternate ones too if you don't like it, but I love it. So if you want something that spits out good, great, fair, excellent, and makes it easier for keywords, you'll like TubeBuddy. All right, guys. Go to YouTube. Type in your title. So I typed in, of course, how to clean, which was our topic. So as you can see, my TubeBuddy Keyword Explorer tells me that that title or keyword is fair. So if I switched it around a little bit, like how to clean a iPhone, you'll see that the Keyword Explorer is changing as well. And it says this one is really good. So this can be my keyword. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. Paste your keyword into Google Docs. All right, so now that we have our keyword right here of how to clean, you need to create a title. So a title has to have the keyword how to clean an iPhone in it. It can't be plural. You can't change the spelling. It has to be exact because we've already ranked our keyword for very good. So you could add stuff again before or after. You just can't change the keyword. So I put creative ways on how to clean an iPhone. Now that we have our keyword and our title, let's go on to the next step. Step 4 is to create your blog. So now we need to find an article that we could reference on cleaning an iPhone. Let me show you. All right, so I have a split screen with Google on my left and my Google Docs on the right. So I'm going to go ahead, go to Google, and just click on how to clean an iPhone. I could reference any of these articles or videos in the video section for my blog, but I'm going to click on this top one right here for demonstration purposes on Apple's support of how to clean an iPhone. So basically you're going to read this and sum it up over here. So what you can do is read it at the same time and just click on this Google Voice feature right here. And let me show you for demonstration purposes. If you get your phone dirty a lot or are concerned with the coronavirus and keeping your phone disinfected, then this article is going to help you to learn how to clean it properly. period. Apple recommends to use a 70% alcohol wipe or Clorox disinfecting wipe when cleaning your iPhone. When cleaning an iPhone, be careful to avoid getting any moisture inside of the openings of speakers or your camera, and also avoid submerging into any cleaning agents. Period. And then now I would go, make sure when you're talking that you take that off. All right, so then you're just gonna kind of come back and to start correcting it before you go on to the next paragraph. All right, so let me go ahead and take this highlighter off for you guys. And you could start correcting it. So I'm not going to do a full correction of it here while you guys are on it. But you get the idea of how you're supposed to go down with Google Doc and do it. So you just start coming down. So what we did is we read this part of the article, added in some of our common sense when talking about an iPhone and how we get it dirty or what's going on with the economy and relating it into it as well. And creating a combination, but you're just talking about it. Google Doc doesn't automatically jump to the next paragraph. So whenever you know that you've spoken enough text content to pause the voice feature, hit enter, make your spelling corrections, then go on to the next part. That's going to make it a lot easier for you in the end. Do you see how easy it was to create a blog? So I want to challenge you to create a blog every single week. Put on a timer for 30 minutes and make sure that you're spending that time towards finding your topic, pulling up Google Docs, getting your keyword, referencing your article, and posting it to your website and all the social media platforms. If you're not yet, make sure you subscribe because I can show you how to create an evergreen system with your blogs. After you've created a good amount, we can put it into an evergreen cycle to where you already have your blogs being posted continuously. What? Evergreen blogs, guys. Evergreen. Automation is key. It saved me so much time in my business, and I really want to help you be able to do the same thing too. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment on other topics that you would like to see a video on. Also, if you have another way that helps you create a blog faster, let me know. I definitely want to hear about it. If you need more help with keyword research, make sure you check out this video over here. And if you need help with thumbnails, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when we come out with next week's video. All right, guys, subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye.